Hello everyone, my name is Lawrence, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to rake the wall panel in FrameCAD Steelwise. For this example, I'm using a 2-bedroom prefabricated module where all walls are currently at the same height. With the roof panel ready here, I will apply a raking angle so the wall slopes upward and aligns with the roof. And there are two ways to achieve this. First is the manual method by listing the wall panel. Under the Height Information tab, enter the required starting height. And before we move on to the rake angle, let's look at this schematic. Starting height defines the reference level. A positive angle value will rake the wall upward from the starting endpoint, while the negative value rakes the wall downward from the same point. Now, I will apply a 5-degree starting angle. I will select yes to calculate the finishing height. And then I will update the panel using P3D. We can now see that the geometry of panel L3 has been updated. The second method is using panel rake command. You can find it in the Steelwise main menu, panel, layout, then rake wall, or by typing PRA. Now, I will select the wall panels to rake, starting from the left side of the building, including the perpendicular wall so the height updates automatically. And I will not select the L2 to keep it as the reference height. Next, I'll select 2 points to define the baseline, set the rake direction, and enter the 5-degree angle. I will repeat the same process on the right side of the building. And lastly, I will update all the panels. The wall geometry is now updated and aligns correctly with the roof structure. The L2 and L3 panels remains at the same level, while the other walls are raked at 5 degrees. The perpendicular wall height has been adjusted to match the rake wall. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.